Number 8, Mr. Velez has 405 and 82 in his checking account at the bank. How much money does he have after he spends 37.64? Okay, so he has a certain amount in the bank account. So the rules say that when you're subtracting any numbers that have decimals in it, you need to line up your decimals so that you can subtract. In this case, they're both money. So just think about it. You have $405.82. That's money. So you have that as money, and you're taking away $37.64. So it makes sense that you line up your decimals because you're taking money away from money that you already have. So in this case, you would simply line them up like this. So we know that he spends, so that's a negative. You're going to be subtracting. So you can't take away 2 from 4, so you got to borrow from the 8. That becomes a 7. Now that is a 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down your decimal, just like you would money. The 5 minus 7 you can't, so you got to borrow. This one, you can't borrow from that. You're going to borrow from here. So this one becomes a 9 because you're going to borrow from that 10. After you borrow from the 4, that becomes a 3. That's a 10, but you're going to borrow from it, so that's a 9 to put your 1 here. So now you have 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 3. So we know that it's $368.18. So let's think about the other answer choices. There's 2 choices that are totally ridiculous. You have $405. And if you take away $37, you know good and well that you're not going to have 400 anymore. You're already at about 400 with $5 more. This is 37. There's no way it can be this one, ever. The same thing here. So you need to eliminate 2 choices and then do the work, and you'll end up really close to the correct answer. But at least you're down to 50% chance. So the answer is B.